Hello everyone, welcome back to Ready to Study channel. We learned normalization in previous video. If you forgot to watch normalization concept, please watch the posted video on normalization. Today we are trying to learn the concept of first normalization with some magic trick. For that you have to watch a video till end. It is a definition of first normal form. A relation is a first normal form if every attribute in that relation is a single valued attribute. I know it's difficult to understand, but don't worry, after this video you will understand the meaning of this definition. First normal form have 4 rules. First rule is it should only have a single or atomic valued attribute or a column. There is a unique name for every attribute or a column. Values stored in a column should be of a same domain, and the order in which data is stored does not matter. Rule 1. It should only have a single atomic valued attribute or a column. What is meant by single valued attribute or atomic attribute? Now there is a one table. In that table there are 3 columns: ID, name, subject. In first record, ID is 1, name is XYZ, and the subject name is DBMS. So there is only one value is here, DBMS as a subject. So that is a single valued attribute, because here the first students have entered the only one value here, DBMS. So that is called as a single valued or atomic attribute. Now for the second student, he have entered the 2 subjects, DBMS and C++. Now this is not a single valued attribute or atomic attribute, because there are 2 values, DBMS as well as the C++. For the same third record, there is a 2 subject, DBMS and Java. These are not the single valued attribute, and it doesn't allow in the first normal form. So that is a rule 1. It should only have a single atomic valued attributes or a column in a first normal form. So how to convert this? In this way you can enter the single valued attribute only. Here, yes, for the first there is no problem, there is DBMS only, that is a single valued attribute, but for the second you have to enter the data repeated again for the DBMS and C++. Same for the third student record, that is a 3PQ and DBMS, 3PQ and Java. Now these are in the all these are the single valued attribute. It satisfies the rule 1, and this table in now 1 NF. Rule 2 and rule 3 we are going to learn. Second rule is there is a unique name for every attribute or a column. And the third rule is values stored in a column should be of a same domain. So here there is one example. In that table, ID, name. Both columns have a same name. If there is a same name, it doesn't allow in the second normal form. So rule 2 is what? There is a unique name for every attribute or a column. Attribute means what? Column. So unique name. We have to give the unique name. Okay. So this table is not in a first normal form because the both columns have a same name. So now, yes, we have given the unique name in this table, first name and last name. So now this is in a first normal form because every attribute have a unique name. Third rule is values stored in a column should be of a same domain. Domain is nothing but just applying the data type. If we are applying here ID as an integer, so you have to enter the integer data only. You cannot enter the alphabet here. If you have given here string, so you have to enter here only a string or character. Okay. If you are entering here string, So you have to also enter here string only or a character only. So that is nothing but the what value stored in a column should be of a same domain. Now this table in a first normal form. This is a rule second and third. Fourth rule is what? You can store the data in any order. Means what? You can store the 100th record after the second record also. You can store the second record after a 500th record also. So there is a no sequence matter. You can store your data in any sequence or any order. That is a rule 4. Here again we are recalling the definition of a first normal form. A relation is in a first normal form if every attribute in that relation is a single valued attribute. What is single valued attribute? Yes, it's a atomic attribute, or we can enter the only one value at a time. That is a rule of a first normal form. A relation is a first normal form if every attribute in that relation is a single valued or atomic attribute. Thank you, student. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to learn difficult concept of the DBMS in a simple way.